It's Bisaya time! This is Mami Cherry for Tutikay Vlog. Now, let's learn more Bisaya words. Let's begin. Food. Pagkaon or makaon. Pagkaon or makaon. Water. 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 It's tubig or mainom. Tubig or mainom. Vegetables. Gulay or utan. Gulay or utan. Fruits. Prutas. Prutas. Bread. Pan. Pan. That's all for today. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share.